All right.
into it. About
Okay.
20 ml.
How many ml? 20 ml.
20.
Okay.
And she's more like about 12 because in case 20 is quite sour.
Okay.
And later we add ice.
All right. So it's like bar and beverage, right?
Yeah.
For like
It's like a mocktail.
Yeah.
So it gives the idea of like a galaxy or universe.
Oh.
Okay?
Right.
So later we add, we call mica powder.
Oh, okay. Mica
It's a
powder.
food grade that you can eat it,
Alright.
and it gives some like kind of good swirl.
Sour.
Seasoning.
Okay.
Later we will add butterfly pea juice.
Butterfly.
Butterfly pea. Right.
We're
And
gonna drink.
with that,
Slowly.
rinse, yes, slowly add.
Over there.
Yeah, and you see the color down there?
Yeah, I
It's
see it. That's
changing.
blue butterfly.
Yeah, because with the acidity, yeah, it makes the color change.
Oh.
So same
Nice.
again, putting this on top. And it's your option that you can add gelatin,
Gelatin also.
right? And also we top it with the Sprite.
Okay, you also add vodka.
Later, up to your choice, but later, but not yet.
Yeah, no. I mean like in this kind of thing.
Yeah.
So we can make it cocktail or mocktail, right?
Yeah.
All right.
So this, you can see the level,
Yeah.
and then you can add that on top, up to your choice.
All right.
If you want it. Normally about 3. So it works instead of like an eatable ice.
Yeah. Right.
Very good. And then you can see the swirl.
Yep.
Okay, she will stir it for you.
Now there will be different colors. Okay.
Right. And that's how they apply. Okay?
Thank you.
Siam. This turn order. Turn order is raw phase, main phase, latent phase, แล้วก็ mid phase. Raw phase you mean draw 5 cards for turn 1. And next turn you draw until you have 3 cards. If you have 3 cards, you draw only 1. Okay?